Hello everyone, unmute your mic guys. Unmute your mic, switch on your videos. Ryan, how are you?
Fine.
What about you, Kane? Good afternoon. Kane, how are you?
I'm also fine.
You're also fine, okay. What about you, Prerna? It seems like you just woke up, am I correct?
No.
No? Okay. Kaval, I can't see you. Okay, who is here? Jonisa is here. Jonisa, unmute your mic and switch on your video. Yes, you too. Yes, you also. So I gave homework to Kane, Lean, Risa, Irish, and Jols, right? Am I correct, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and how many of you have sent your homework to me on WhatsApp?
I have sent.
I.
Okay,
Sir, I also had sent.
okay, so Kane, have you sent?
Yes, sir.
Lean? Lean is here or not? He's not here, I think. Okay, so we'll... Risa, have you sent it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Yash?
No, sir.
Why?
Sir, this is my my brother's number, and in WhatsApp group I have my father's number. That's why I have not know your number.
So you want my number,
That's why.
basically.
Yes.
Note it down.
Okay, sir.
Irish, you have sent it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Jols? Jols has sent it too, I remember. Okay. Guys who don't have my number, please note it down. 6360 950 643. Okay. As I said, everyone, please unmute your mic and switch on your videos. Even Kajal.
950. After 950.
950 643. 6360 950 643. Okay, so everyone is here. I think Swaroop is coming. Okay, let us admit Swaroop. So yeah, again, we'll have, it is 16:04 now, that is 4 o'clock and 4 minutes. And we will have question answer session of 6 minutes only. And then again, I will proceed ahead with the normal classes. But yeah, let me ask the first question to Prachiti. Prachiti, tell me, what are saturated hydrocarbons?
Saturated hydrocarbons means they form CC single bond.
Very good. Correct. Okay. Next question is to Ken. What is another name of saturated hydrocarbon?
Sir, I don't know the name.
You don't know the name. But you have to know the name. So you will write it 10 times. Alkane. Alkane is the answer.
Okay, sir.
Alkane and saturated hydrocarbons. Okay. Alkane is the
Yes, sir.
other name of saturated hydrocarbons. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next question to you, Jonisa. I know you were absent yesterday, but I hope you have gone through the tutorials that I have uploaded on that day. Yesterday, I didn't teach anything. I just asked the questions and answer. I revised the concept because it is important. So the question to you is, what is difference between alkene and alkyne?
Alkane is the single bond of the carbon and alkyne are the double or triple bond of the carbon.
Alkene and alkyne. Alkene and alkyne. Alkane is CC, single bond. I'm talking about difference between alkene and alkyne. Tell me.
Sir, I don't know.
How easily can you say you don't know? Okay, no issues. Alkene is CC double bond and alkyne is CC triple bond. That is carbon-carbon triple bond. You also will have to write it 10 times.
Okay.
Okay, good, no issues. Okay, then Jonisa, Yash?
Yes, sir.
Yes, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, what is atomic number of carbon?
6.
And how many numbers of electron carbon atom has?
What, sir?
Number of electron carbon atom has? 5, 4, 3.
Sir,
Wait.
Six,
Yes,
six.
6. Okay, and number of protons? 5, 4. Don't know, right? So yes, note it down. Okay, let me note the names of students who will write today. So yeah, let me start from the beginning. Who was the first student I told to write something?
Sir, I am.
What is your name? Sorry, like I have opened the
Kane.
Kane. So Kane, what you have to write? Alkanes.
Name of saturated.
No, like you have to write the definition of alkane and definition of saturated hydrocarbon. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And Donisa has to write difference between alkene and alkyne. Okay, Jonisa? And
Yes, sir.
then यश कल का भी नहीं लिखा था ना तुमने?
सर लिखा है लेकिन भेजा नहीं आपको बस.
तो फिर आज भेज देना, वरना फिर कल काउंटिंग बढ़ जाएगा. बाद में बोलना मत कि सर आपने
हाँ.
बढ़ गया. तो यश तुमको क्या लिखना है आज? हाँ, you have to write that atomic number is the number of electrons in an atom or the number of protons in an atom. Simple, right? Okay?
Okay.
ये भी 10 times सबको. चलो, तो next question to प्रचीति से पूछ लिया था ना मैंने. Swaroop, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Swaroop, the question to you is nitrogen atom. How many bonds does the nitrogen atom has in nitrogen gas? नाइट्रोजन गैस जो मॉलिक्यूल होता है उसको N2 से डिनोट करते हैं. N2 मतलब 2 नाइट्रोजन एटम. तो उनमें कितने बॉन्ड होते हैं? 5, 4, 3.
Sir, double bond.
गलत. So you should note that nitrogen atom, like nitrogen gas, is bonded, like it consists of 2 atoms, 2 nitrogen
Okay.
atoms, and they are bonded with 3 bonds. So they will be having triple bonds. Is it okay, Swaroop?
Okay.
So this also you will have to write.
Thanks for clearing doubt.
Okay, obviously that is my duty to do. Okay, Swaroop, mute your mic. Jules, can you hear me? Jules. He will not unmute his mic only, I think. Jules. Kajal, your turn. Unmute your mic.
Okay, sir.
Kajal, what is, okay, yeah. The first question is, what is molecular formula of methane? Five, 4.
Sir, don't know.
So you will write, okay, let me show you what you will write. Okay. Kajal, you have to write the molecular formula of methane is CH4. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So next question is to Ryan. Ryan, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Ryan, tell me one thing. The question to you is, what are structural isomers?
The phenomena which compounds have different structural formula have the same molecular formula is called
Very
structural
good.
isomers.
Excellent. Excellent. Very good. Very good, Ryan. Unmute your mic. Sorry, mute your mic then. And Kajal is done. Kavalle, can you hear me? Unmute your mic.
Yes.
Kavalle, tell me. I have one question for you. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
So, how many carbons are there in cyclohexane?
In
How many carbon atoms are there in cyclohexane? How many carbon atoms are there?
6.
Okay, bach gaya. Okay, so next question is, the next question will be to, okay, yeah, I got some good questions. Okay, guys, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes.
Tell me one thing, alcohol group,
Yes,
how
sir.
it is represented? Alcohol group, how alcohol group is represented? Prerna, you can answer this question.
Yes.
How is alcohol group represented? Alcohol group को represent करने के लिए क्या atoms, like which atoms which alcohol group?
Oxygen and hydrogen.
Very good, Prerna. Excellent. यानी revision तो कर क्या लोग? Lean, can you hear me? Lean, can you hear me? Lean. Okay, Lean has
The
decided.
network is slow.
Okay, no problem. Do you know what are halogens?
Yes.
Tell me what are halogens? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. So, Lean, you have to write about halogens 10 times, okay? Okay? So, Lean will write about halogens 10 times. चलो फिर आज के लिए तो हो गया, अभी आगे का पढ़ाई करते हैं. Okay, guys?
Yes, sir.
If you have any doubt, ask me. अगर मैं start कर रहा हूँ पढ़ाना.
Sir,
Yeah, tell me.
sir, halogenous series और halogen same है क्या?
No, this is homologous. Are you talking about this?
I will not see.
You cannot see my screen?
Yes. Sorry. Yes.
Okay.
Homologous series.
No, not at all. Not at all. Homologous is different and halogen is different. Okay. Halogens मतलब वो elements होते हैं ना.
I want a definition of halogens.
You want the definition of halogen?
Yes.
It's very simple. Either you can look into your book or you can Google. Just Google halogen.
Page number?
See, you will find it in chapter number 2. But you can read here also. Can you see this?
Yes.
What is it written? Halogen is a group in periodic table consisting of 5 chemically related elements: fluorine, chlorine, bromine, and iodine, and astatine. इतना भी काफी है. Okay? For understand.
Yes.
Definition you will find it in chapter 2. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So can I go ahead then?
Yes.
Anyone having any other doubt? Ryan, do you have any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. So I will go ahead then. It is saying that you have seen that chains of different length are formed by joining the carbon atoms to each other. Moreover, you have also seen that a functional group can take place of a hydrogen atom on these chains. As a result of this, large number of compounds are formed having the same functional groups but different length of carbon chain. See, this is homologous. Homologous means the molecule is having same functional group. What is functional group? You can see here. These all are functional group. Chlorine, bromine, iodine, OH, that is alcohol, CHO, where C is double bonded with oxygen and single bonded with hydrogen. This is an aldehyde. This is a ketone, only C bonded with oxygen. And at the other side, there are carbons. Then this is carboxylic acid. If you are having COOH, it is carboxylic acid. And if oxygen is not double bonded to carbon atoms, it is bonded to two different carbon atoms, one this side and one this side. Then it is ether. And then we have an ester. What is the difference between ester and carboxylic acid? Carboxylic acid will have hydrogen along with the oxygen, but ester will have carbon here. Okay, guys?
Yes.
Then we have an amine group. Amine means NH2, where nitrogen that is able to make 3 bonds will make 2 bonds with the hydrogens and 1 bond with the carbon. So let's see. This all are homologous group. There is a reason behind it. If you will notice, there is 1 carbon group and 1 alcohol group. If you will see, there are 2 carbon group and 1 alcohol group. If you will see here, there are 3 carbon group and 1 alcohol group. There are 4 carbons group, right? 4 carbon group and 1 alcohol group. It means the functional group. What is the functional group? Alcohol. The functional group is same functional group, but different length of carbon chain. So this is called homologous series. The definition you can also find here. The series of compounds formed by joining the same functional group in the place of particular hydrogen atom. Why it is saying particular hydrogen atom? Because you will see here we have 3 hydrogen, right? 3 hydrogen. Because we have 1 carbon atom and 1 oxygen atom. But here you will see that we have 2 hydrogen atom, whereas 3 hydrogen atom is with the side carbon, and the carbon which is related to oxygen, which is bonded to oxygen, is having 2 hydrogen atom only. So what happened to the 1 hydrogen atom? It was replaced by alcohol group. So that is what they are saying, that the series of compounds formed by joining the same functional group in the place of particular hydrogen atom on the chains having sequentially increasing length. Increasing length means more and more number of carbon atoms are joining. It is called a homologous series. Any doubt in homologous series, guys?
Yes.
Any doubt? Please ask me what is the doubt.
No.
No doubts, right? Okay, so let's go ahead. See, I think I have explained you this. All these molecules are bonded, like carbon-carbon bond is single bond, and that is why it is called alkenes. Alkenes means where carbon-carbon are bonded with single bond. And homologous series means why? Because the number of carbon atom is increasing one by one at every time. If you will see, for 1 carbon atom, for CH4, we are having methane. For 2 carbon atom, we are having ethane. For 3 carbon atom, we are having propane. For 4 carbon atom, we are having butane. For 5 carbon atom, we are having pentane. And for 6 carbon atom, we are having hexane. Okay. Now see, the simple way of naming is, this is 1 carbon atom, right? 1 carbon atom attached with alcohol group. Alcohol group has synonyms, like उसमें जो suffix आता है, it is all. So methane becomes methanol. Then this is 2 carbon atom, right? And if you will see, they are bonded singly, single carbon bond, and they have an OH group. So OH group has a prefix, no, not prefix, suffix ol. So ethane becomes ethanol. Then we have propane. Why propane? Because we have 3 carbon atoms, and 3 carbon atoms is having OH group. So it becomes propanol. Okay. And then we have 4 carbon atoms. Now if you will go to the top, you will see that the 4 carbon atom is named as, when carbon are bonded single with single bond, it is named as butane. But here they have attached an alcohol group, that is all. So it becomes butanol. Butane becomes butanol. Propane becomes propanol. Ethane becomes ethanol. When we have OH group attached to it and carbon are bonded with single bond. Okay. You see the same thing. Carbon is bonded with double bond. Now ethane does not remain ethane, it becomes ethene. Propane does not remain propane, it becomes propene. Why it becomes propene? Because carbon is having double bond here. Can you all see we have a double bond here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. The same is the case with butane and same is the case with pentene. Any doubt, guys?
No.
No.
Can anyone tell me why it is named one butene and one pentene? See, it is named one because this double bond is in the first position, first carbon only, right? Can you see this? Guys? Hello?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Can you see
Yes,
this
sir.
carbon bonded atom is bonded with double bond, right? It
Yes.
is bonded with
It
double
is bonded with H2.
and it is bonded at the first carbon. The first carbon atom is bonded. That is why they have named one here. So it becomes one pentene. Why? Because the carbon at position 1 is having double bond. Did you all understand?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's go ahead and see what else do we have here. Okay. Let's read this then. You have found that in any homologous series, while going in an increasing order of the length of carbon chain. अगर carbon chain का length increase कर रहा है, it means the carbon atom is increasing. Am I correct?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So if carbon atom is increasing, one CH2 will keep on increasing. How? Let me show you. See, this is the homologous series of alkane, right? Let's see, pay your utmost attention. See, we are having one carbon atom. Then we had 2 carbon atom. If you will see, we have 3 carbon atom where the side atom have 3 hydrogen and the atom at the center has 2 hydrogen, right?
Yes.
When we go to butane, butane means 4 carbon atom. You will notice that the side carbon atoms are still same. This one also has 3 hydrogen atom. This one also has 3 hydrogen atom. But this part has increased because propane was having 3 carbon atoms. Butane is having 4 carbon atoms. So only CH2 increased. Right? If you see pentane, if you will see pentane, pentane will have one more CH2 group than this, correct? See, CH3 and CH3 are common here in butane and pentane. This CH3 is also common here, that is butane and pentane.
Hello?
But this CH2 and this CH2 are common, and this CH2 and this CH2 are common. It means that the net increase is of this CH2 molecule, right?
Yes.
Similar is the case with here also. So as you go on increasing, like as you go on increasing the carbon length means as you go on increasing the carbon atom, you will see that the net increase is nothing but the CH2 molecule. So that is what they are saying, that you have found that in any homologous series, while going in an increasing order of the length of carbon chain, every time one methylene unit goes on increasing. Did you understand this sentence now?
Yes.
Okay. See, so let's go ahead then. Therefore, while going on in an increasing order of length, there is a rise in the molecular mass member by 14 unit. Now let us understand what this is. See, what is the mass of carbon? Anyone can tell me what is the mass of carbon? Ryan? Ryan, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Ryan, tell me what is the atomic mass of carbon? Periodic classification of element. Refer that periodic table and tell me what is atomic mass of carbon. Number of carbon is 6, which is correct. I'm looking for atomic mass of carbon. Ryan. Anyone?
Yes.
12.11. 12.1.
Sir, 12.017.
Correct. And what is atomic mass of hydrogen?
Now. 14.007.
Atomic mass of hydrogen.
1.008.
Okay.
Sir,
So
1.007.
0.008.
So let's assume that atomic mass of carbon is 12 approximately, and atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. Correct?
1.
Okay. So what will happen? Let me show you what is happening here. If you will see here, CH2, our main unit that moves on increasing, is nothing but the CH2, right? This CH2 is increasing. So C is having mass of 12 and hydrogen is having mass of 1. Total mass is 2 because there are 2 hydrogen. So hydrogen का total mass हो गया 2 and carbon का mass is 12. So total mass कितना हो गया 14, right?
Yes.
So that is what they are saying, that while going in an increasing order of the length, there is a rise in the molecular mass. Rise means increase in the molecular mass of the members by 14 units. Now let's see what they are trying to say. They are saying that methane and ethane will have a difference of 12 units. Why? You can see here, see, 12 is the mass of carbon, 4 is the mass of hydrogen. 12 plus 4, 16, right? No one is saying anything.
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, can someone tell me what will be the mass of ethane? C2H6. Mass of ethane C2H6. कोई फटाक से बताओ. 2 carbon and 6 hydrogen atom. कितना मास हो गया ethane?
20, sir.
Okay, but first of all, it is 2 carbon atom. It means 12 2s are 24, and 6 hydrogen atom. It means 30, right? Now
30.
it was having 16. It is having 30. Net increases of 14, right? इसका से मतलब like ethane is having 14 unit more molecular mass than ethane, and same is the case with sorry. Okay, so same is the case with propane also. Propane will have 14 unit more mass than ethane, and butane will have 14 unit more mass than propane. Did you all understand?
Propane. Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So let's go ahead and try to see. So I hope you all understood this paragraph, right? Okay. You understood this paragraph, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So let's go ahead. It is saying that inspection means detail. अगर ध्यान से देखोगे तो table number 9.15 A, B and C will reveal one more point to you, and that is gradation in boiling points. Boiling point, boiling point is a physical property of a compound. Okay, generally it is found that while going in an increasing order in any homologous series, the physical properties show variation in one direction, that is gradation in is observed in physical property. अब ये जानने के लिए हम लोग चलेंगे टेबल नंबर 9.15 के A, B and C पे. So where is table number 9.15? जी है 9.15. यार यहाँ पे तो उन्होंने कुछ दिया नहीं है बॉइलिंग पॉइंट के बारे में. I think they wanted to say about 9 point this part 9.1.
Yes.
Because you see the boiling point here is minus 100, minus 48, minus 6.5 and 30. Let's see about this alkenes. If you will see, as the mass is increasing, boiling point is increasing too, right? पहले कितना था minus 162 डिग्री सेल्सियस, फिर minus 88 हुआ, फिर minus 40, फिर 0 हुआ, फिर 36 हुआ and फिर 69 हुआ. So as you go on increasing the molecular mass, you can see that the boiling point is oh my goodness. Yes. Then you will see that boiling point is also increasing. Okay, so let's go ahead. Now it is saying that table number 1.5 9.15c shows the homologous series of alkene. Okay, nothing, useless. तुम लोग करना इसको, कुछ समझ में आएगा पक्का. मतलब मैं नहीं बता रहा हूँ, ये तुम लोग करो खुद से. Now see, the molecular formula of the members of homologous alkenes can be represented by CnH2n. This is very important. Guys, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes.
this is very important line. Okay, चाहिए तो highlight कर लो. It is saying that the molecular formula जो होगा alkenes का, वो CnH2n से represent होगा. When the value of n is 2. We get the molecular formula of first member of the series as C2H 2 into 2, that is C2H4, that is 2 carbon 4 hydrogen. When the value of n is 3, the molecular formula of second member of alkene series is obtained as CnH2n. This is the molecular formula, right? So what they are trying to say is, if you are ever having an alkene, and let's say that the number of carbon is given, then you can find out the number of hydrogen by multiplying the number of carbon into 2. Did you understand this? See, you see this formula, C3H6 is an alkene, C2H4 is an alkene. So these all are examples of alkene. Have you understood, all of you, what they are trying to say? नहीं समझ में आया तो बताओ, मैं दोबारा समझाऊंगा.
Sir, नहीं आया.
Okay, see, alkanes. Okay, wait. Let me show you. Pay your attention here, okay? If we are having carbon, this is alkane, right? अरे हाँ ना तो बोल दो.
हाँ.
And this will be alkene, right? This will be
sir,
alkene. Alkenes, am I correct? This will be alkene, am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes.
tell me how many hydrogens will be coming here? How many hydrogens will come here? Tell me.
6.
6. Who is that?
Total.
4.
4 आएगा.
4. हाँ 4 sir.
4 आएगा. 6 कैसे?
Correct.
Look at me.
Because carbon will make only 4 bonds, right? Carbon will make only 4 bonds, and it is already double bonded with each other. This carbon will make 2 more bonds, and this carbon will make 2 more bonds. So total number of hydrogen is 4, right? And
Four.
total number of carbon is 2. Correct? क्या
बोल
बोले
रहे
पता
हो?
नहीं क्यों इतना हल्ला मचाता है.
हाँ,
Okay.
कैवल्य कैवल्य
कैवल्य.
कैवल्य का माईक ऑन आहे.
लगेच
हा
ए
तुझा
मी
माईक
आता आता
हा,
चालू
आता
केलंय
तू-
पा
Okay,
माता
okay,
का
okay,
आवाज
okay,
येतो.
okay, 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 okay. मम मैं सबका माइक म्यूट कर देता हूँ, सिर्फ मैं बोलूंगा. तो टोटल नंबर ऑफ कार्बन इज 2,
sir.
right? And total number of hydrogen is 4. So if you will see, this is also a representation of the formula CnH2n. Correct? We are having 2 carbons. This is an alkene. Why alkene? Because it is having double bond. So they are saying that जब भी कोई alkene होगा तो उनका molecular formula CnH2n के फॉर्मेट में ही होगा. एल्किन मतलब डबल बॉन्ड. अगर डबल बॉन्ड है तो इसका मतलब कार्बन से डबल हाइड्रोजन होगा या हाइड्रोजन का आधा कार्बन होगा. यानी जितने एटम्स हाइड्रोजन के हैं उसके आधा एटम्स कार्बन के होंगे, या जितने एटम्स कार्बन के हैं उससे डबल हाइड्रोजन के होंगे. गाइस, डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस?
हाँ सर.
अभी समझ में आया?
हाँ.
पक्का? Okay,
हाँ.
so yeah, everyone unmute your mic and start your video. Okay, Cavalli, did you understand everything? Okay, Prerna, what about you? You understood, Prerna? Okay, Prachiti, did you understand everything?
Yes, sir.
What
Yes.
about you, Jonisa? Your face
Yes,
is saying
sir.
that you are having lot of doubts.
No, sir.
No? Swaroop, did you understand everything?
यस सर यस
ये केन है और ये स्वरूप, ये दो लोग के घर से बहुत आवाज आ रहे हैं. मेरे को इन दो लोग को म्यूट करना पड़ेगा. Okay, guys. Now, Kajal, did you understand everything or you slept while in the classroom?
No.
No? Okay. Okay. So we are having only 2 minutes. You will leave the classroom in 2 minutes. And then you will join back again immediately. No break this time, okay?
Okay.
Or you want a break?
No.
No, right?
No.
Okay.
No.
So मैं इसको ये अभी मतलब तुम लोग को अगर कुछ डाउट है तो देख लो. 1 मिनट का टाइम है. You have 2 minutes with you. If you have any doubt, ask me. And when you will be left out of the मैं meeting end करता हूँ, then you have to join back again. Okay? Join back immediately. And if you have any doubt, ask me. I'm going to end this and join back again immediately. Okay? Bye, everyone.